Hey guys, it's Mr. Aya. Hope you guys are staying warm and hopefully the weather holds out. Just wanted to show you something new on Ensemble blocks. So what I did was, this is our third 9 weeks FSWs all in order. See, we have second page of Rudiments, 4 Mallet, all the stuff we've been working on. In the past, you would have to fish around to find it, and so there's a new lists option here on Ensemble block that we're experimenting with. So what I did was, I went and found all of my things in the different parts of my handbook series, and I made a list that puts it, see it says third 9 weeks FSWs, and it's in the order exactly as the objective sheet. So we started with second page of Rudiments. I put the 4 Mallet review in there. Then we started doing double verticals. Then we were running Snare Technique and getting into the next things in the Chop 13. So it's all in the same order. I think I got it in the right order. So anyway, that way you don't have to hunt around. So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna send this to you, this link to you, and what you need to do is press this button, the save button, and it will pop up onto your own lists. So yeah, just check it out and hopefully it helps you find things faster. Although I know you're more than capable of finding it, but we're just experimenting with this new lists function. And just a reminder, if you, let's say you're in the rotunda or finding some other percussive stuff like Brett Kuhn stuff and you like something, you could always go here and save it to your bookmarks, because that's a new thing as well. So we have a new bookmarks feature. Okay. All right. So check out lists and don't forget you press save when I send this to you. Okay. I'm going to copy it now. All right, guys, stay safe. And if you get bored, practice. If not, just be safe and we'll see you when we see you.